What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own automatic feeder for your chickens. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? Like I said, we are only going to be using 1, 2, 3 items to do this automatic feeder, and I'm counting because I'm pointing and looking at the feeders already put together. Now, as you can see, I have some PVC pipe that is actually 3/4 PVC pipe thickness, and then we have these here situations down there, which I don't know the name of them off the top, but I will put it in the description down below. But without further, so that's one. The pipe is one. That part down there where they're gonna eat from is 2, and the third part is a center block, or it's just something very simply to keep it elevated off the ground, because as we know, chickens are gonna kick, they're gonna claw, they're gonna dig, they're gonna look, and you don't want them kicking up the food, or excuse me, the leaves, the dirt, things like that into their food. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to, well, there is one more product. Oh man, I'm just trying to keep it all simple. But nonetheless, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then you'll see that you can do it too. Alright, so let me show you all what was done. As you can see, I have these here feeders coming out at the bottom here, which they'll be able to stretch and pack. And so I have them going up. I have a little zip tie situation right here just to make sure that everything falls, but then I have it capped off there, which of course is the idea, just to make sure that they don't find themselves in there or any rodents do the same thing. Okay, and so here at the bottom is where they can feed from, in which I'm also excited about what this will turn out to be and how it will look and all that good stuff. So, and as you can see, I have it off the center, or excuse me, off the floor with the center block, which is also a great way to keep the bottom nice and flowing, so that nothing will come out from the bottom and everything will come out from the spout, which is ultimately what you all and we want. Okay, so as we know, it only takes one chick to do it, and from her then the other ones will follow, so we'll definitely be mindful of that, and hopefully I catch some footage of them doing that. Okay, and so this is a lot of food that I have here in these 2 pipes, so we'll see how long ultimately it lasts, and you know, we'll hope for the best, y'all.